We have given algebraic fraction. To reduce this fraction to the lowest terms, we have to have multiplication in numerator and in the denominator. So first we will factorize. In the numerator, we have ab plus a square. So the same variable is a and a. So we can factorize a, and we will have in parentheses, by what we have to multiply a to get ab? By b, because a times b is ab, exactly the same what we have at the very beginning. And next we have plus a square. We have only a, so we have to multiply a by a. A times a is a square, is the same what we have at the beginning. Next, let's look what we have here. We have a square plus ab. And we have a in this expression and in that expression. So we can factorize variable a, and in parentheses we will have a plus b, because a times a is a square and a times b is ab. Next we have negative 2b and negative 2a. So negative and negative sign we can factorize, because we have negative and negative expressions. And 2 we have in 2, so we can take 2 before parentheses, and in parentheses we will have b plus a, because negative 2 times b is negative 2b and negative 2 times a is negative 2a. So now we see that we have the same expression in parentheses. We can only change that. We can write first a plus b, because b plus a is equal to a plus b. So let me copy our numerator, and because we have in the denominator a plus b, so I will change b plus a to a plus b in the numerator, because a plus b is equal b plus a, and we will have a times a plus b minus 2 times a plus b. So this is equal. Numerator we have to copy, and in the denominator we can factorize a plus b, because we have a plus b in the first parenthesis and in the second parenthesis, so a plus b, and whatever left we will put in the second parenthesis. We have a minus 2. So this is equal. Now when we have multiplication we can reduce. We have in parentheses a plus b and plus b. A plus b divided by a plus b is 1. So now we have in numerator a times 1 is a, and 1 times a minus 2 is a minus 2. This is my solution.